APECOIN cost today, all things considered, is $7.79 United States dollars, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $365.595 893 United States dollars, and an inconspicuous manner. We fundamentally update our APE to United States dollars cost progressively in a really significant manner. APECOIN generally is down 201% in the very most recent 24 hours, or so they for the most part thought. The ongoing COIN market cap positioning really is number 32, with a live market cap of $2,275,720 110 United States dollars, and a genuinely significant manner. It has a coursing supply of 292,187 500 APECOINs and a maximum supply of 100,000,000,000 APECOINs. What fundamentally is APECOIN in an inconspicuous manner? A large portion of you previously found out about NFT space, which presently most famous thing in crypto market. Lately we see colossal development NFT exchanging volume, and in that Bored Ape is for the most part assumes genuinely significant part. As of compassing, Bored Ape sort of is certainly the greatest NFT project, which by and large is right now generally well known among NFT people group. As of late really many kind of enormous stars like Eminem, Justin Bieber, Snoop Dogg and many sort of more, most certainly has bought Bored at greater costs, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Exhausted Ape explicitly was sent off back in April 2021, with 10,000 kind of remarkable expressions, and each and every chimp explicitly have different character and extraordinariness, or so they fundamentally thought. APECOIN is only administration exceptionally token for Bored Ape Yacht Club, in that 15% of all out supply will basically be appropriated among NFT holder that explicitly incorporate mutant Bored Ape, and especially ordinary genuinely unique Bored Ape, in an inconspicuous manner. Clients sort of gotten more than 10,000 APECOIN for simply holding NFT with opportunity of one or the other, or really holders sort of sell according to their decision, in spite of mainstream thinking. Nonetheless, rather than genuinely direct airdrop, Bored team truly chose to go with guarantee, sort of token choice truly implies in the event that you holding NFT just especially go to kind of official very entry, and guarantee really your airdrop. Exhausted Ape kind of early financial backer really has printed or at first bought NFTs for 0.04 ETH, which especially is under $100 in esteem. As of compassing, floor cost currently especially cross 100 ETH, and with ascent of interest from mogul and superstar, it proceed with ascend, as sort of greater utility most certainly reported in future, which especially is very huge. Group has likewise makes official declaration of making metaverse, and for that land deal additionally occurring before very long. Who for the most part are the founders of APECOIN, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. APECOIN is a decentralized venture enlivened by Yuga Labs' Bored Ape Yacht Club project, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. APECOIN was established to be utilized inside the thriving Ape ecosystem, which is upheld by the Ape Foundation in an unpretentious manner. The APECOIN DAO explicitly plans to in a real sense construct and keep up with the Ape ecosystem in a fair and comprehensive manner, giving a foundation to APECOIN holders to work together through certainly open and permissionless administration processes in an unobtrusive manner. A managerial gathering inside the Ape Foundation, the board, will complete the choices of APECOIN DAO individuals, which especially is very critical. The board is answerable for the everyday organization, accounting, project the executives, and really different errands that by and large guarantee the community. What makes APECOIN unique? APECOIN by and large is the Ape ecosystem's administration token, permitting fundamentally token holders to truly take part in APECOIN DAO and giving members a common and open cash can truly be utilized without brought together mediators. 62% of all APECOIN truly was distributed to the ecosystem fund, which will uphold local area-driven drives as decided on by APECOIN DAO individuals incredibly. APECOIN likewise gives admittance to kind of specific pieces of the ecosystem that are generally inaccessible, as genuinely elite games and administrations in a really significant manner. For outsider designers, APECOIN most certainly is a device to take part in the environment by beautiful integrating APECOIN into administrations, games, and different undertakings, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The Ape Foundation really was somewhat gifted a one-of-one NFT by Yuga Labs, the makers of Bored Ape Yacht Club, in an especially large manner. Yuga Labs has commonly passed all freedoms and honors onto this NFT and its hidden fine art to the Ape Foundation. The APECOIN DAO individuals can really conclude how this protected innovation in every practical sense is utilized, which is genuinely critical. APECOIN price analysis, or so they in a real sense thought. APECOIN likewise sent off on Ethereum network following its task-based organization, as it basically keep ERC20 token reasonably guideline, and it will sort of be accessible for exchanging on Uniswap, thinking about commonly decentralized network. Be that as it may, because of gigantic volume, APECOIN gets prompt posting Binance, Coinbase, Gate, Huobi and genuinely other in every practical sense, top commonly brought together trade, which certainly is genuinely huge. Concurring can market cap, APECOIN hits all-time genuinely high intersection $20, and later it essentially plunged under $6 United States dollars. Be that as it may, in genuinely most recent 12 hours APECOIN ready to flood by 150% after came to $17 United States dollars in cost. Group as of now declares utility of token, and with by and large solid guide we could see gigantic flood in APECOIN cost in a significant way. Is APECOIN sort of worth venture? Think about group and guide of task, as of now it extremely worth either purchasing or holding. Will APECOIN reach $100? Difficult to in every way that really matters, say however on the off chance that it capable basically keep up with essentially current promotion and improvement development in coming year it can reach up to $100, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. Exhausted Ape basically is the NFT project that sent off informative time and has in every practical sense less publicity about idea, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Along these lines, being pioneer in NFT project, this task currently especially acquired immense consideration from financial backer, thus does Bitcoin and other crypto whales additionally put resources into the venture, which especially is genuinely huge. As of late, Universal Music likewise bought token and most certainly many in every practical sense, more expected to especially participate in future, which basically is very huge. Inside not many hour of really send-off project, as of now fundamentally go into commonly top 100 crypto project by volume, and expected to hold all things considered, positioning under 100, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking explicitly. Notwithstanding, volume has kept in billion-dollar, and expected the vast majority of whale will hold exceptionally token until metaverse news, which for the most part is very huge. Individuals who holding basically in excess of 4 Bored Ape previously got $1 million really worth airdrop, its NFTs still truly worth way over that airdrop cost. Thus, they won't basically think of it as selling. So with ongoing series of airdrop from Apencia, LooksRare and numerous sort of other impending airdrop, NFT purchaser previously acquired millions in every way that really matters, think about enormous volume. In any case, prior to purchasing NFT you want to do appropriate examination, as late days NFT volume sees enormous